Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide grid lines of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to show or hide the grid line of chart. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the column chart. Now I am select the stacked column. Now I am insert a chart. We can see here the grid line. You want to enable or disable this, hide or show this, select the chart, go to the chart design menu, choose the add element option. We can see here the grid line. You can add this or remove this. Now I am select this primary measure grid line, and we can see we hide the grid line of the chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.